Hello students, welcome to Elga online class. Last class we learnt 5 letter sounds, okay, and 2 whole words, and they read the story So Many Houses, okay. Now go to the topic. Students, before go to the class, now we have one activity, okay. The class name is Wow Clap, okay. See me and next we will follow, okay. 1, 2, wow. 3, 4, wow. 5, 6, wow. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, you can follow me. Now, go to the topic before we recall the last class. Okay, small recap. The first one is phonic section. We learnt 5 letter sounds. The letter R, the letter sound is R. Okay, now go to next one. Is T, T, okay, and learn 2 whole words also. The first one is hair. The first one is hair. Second one is as. Okay, it's clear, students. Now go to the next letter sound. See the flashcard. What is the letter? W. The letter W. This is capital W. This is small w. Okay. The name of the letter W. The sound of the letter V. The sound of the letter V. The sound of the letter V. Okay. Let's see some words. The beginning sound V. First one is wall. Wall. Do you know wall? Sewer. Wall means sewer. Second word is watch. Watch. What is the use of watch? See the time. Okay. Watch. 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 Third one, watermelon. This is what kind of fruit. Do you like it? Watermelon. It is very big size and very delicious also. Watermelon. Watermelon. Fourth one, water. Water. Water is very essential for live. Okay, it is very essential to live. No one live without water. Okay, once again, the name of the letter W, the sound of the letter V. Wall. Let's see some words with example. Okay, wall. Wall means sewer. Wall. Watch. Kadihar. Watch. Watermelon. Darpusni palam. Watermelon. Water. Water means tanni. Water. Okay. Now go to the slide. The name of the letter W. The name of the letter W. The sound of the letter V. Okay. V. See the first one, students. What do you see in the first one? A wall picture. This is sewer. Okay. In Tamil, sewer. Wall. First one, wall. Okay. Sewer. Second one, watch. Second one, watch. Watch. Kadiharam. Third one, watermelon. Third one, watermelon. Darpusani palam. Watermelon. Fourth one is water. Fourth one is water. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat it. Please follow me. First one, wall. First one, wall. Second one, watch. Second one, watch. Third one, watermelon. Third one, watermelon. Fourth one, water. Fourth one, water. Students, see the flashcard. What is the letter? The letter X. The name of the letter X. The sound of the letter. The sound of the letter. Sound of the letter. Okay. Let's see some words for this sounds. Okay. First one, box. Box. Do you know box? Petty. Box. 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 Second one, fox. Nari. Fox. 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 Nari. Next one, X-ray. X-ray. Do you know X-ray? Suppose your bone is damaged. The doctor told you have to take X-ray. The X-ray. Okay, now it shows like you can find it. What is X-ray? Fourth one is mix. 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 Okay. The name of the letter X. The sound of the letter X. Sound of letter X. Okay. Let's see some words. First word is box. Box. Petty. Second one, fox. Fox. Third one, X-ray. X-ray. Fourth one, mix. Fourth one, mix. Okay. Now go to the slide. The name of the letter X. The sound of the letter X. The sound of the letter X. First one, box. Students, see carefully. First one, box. Second one, fox. Second one, fox. Third one, X-ray. Students, see this carefully. This is X-ray. 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 Fourth one is mix. Fourth one is mix. Fourth one is mix. Okay. Now go to the next letter sound. Students, see the flashcard. What is the letter? This letter Y. This letter Y. Name of the letter Y. The sound of letter Y. The sound of letter Y. Okay. Let's see some words for this sound. Yes sound. Okay. First one is yolk. You know yolk? Manchakal. Yolk. 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 Okay. Yolk. Yolk. Second one, yarn. Second one, yarn. 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 Okay. Third one, yellow. 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 Mancha color. Yellow. Yellow. Mancha color. Okay. Mancha color. Fourth one, you know cotton. Yeah. Cotton. Okay. The name of the letter Y. The sound of the letter Y. The sound of the letter Y. First see some words for the example. Okay. Yolk. Yolk. Manchakal. Yolk. Y-O-L-K. Yolk. Second one, yarn. Yarn. Okay. Third one, yellow. Third one, yellow. Fourth one, yak. Fourth one, yak. Okay. Now go to the slide. The name of the letter Y. The sound of the letter Y. Okay. Now let's see some words. First one, yolk. This is egg. Okay. The manjalkar. Okay. Yolk na manjalkar. Yolk. Second one, yarn. Second one, yarn. Second one, yarn. Third one, yellow. Third one, yellow. Third one, yellow. Fourth one, yak. Fourth one, yak. Fourth one, yak. It's clear? Students, see the flashcard. What is the letter? The letter Z. The letter Z. Name of the letter Z. The sound of the letter. The sound of the letter. Okay. Let's see some words. Some words for this example. First one, zip. 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 Zip means zip. Dressler play zip and zip. Next, zoo. 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 Next one, zoo. Mirugakachi Salai. Zoo Somalia. Mandalur zoo. Mirugakachi Salayin Tamil. Third one, zero. Zero means pujyam. Zero, zero, zero. Okay. Fourth one, zigzag. Zigzag. Zero zigzag முரண்பாடா இருக்கு. சேம் இல்லாம கொஞ்சம் முரண்பாடா இருக்கு. Zigzag. 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 Okay. The name of the letter is it. The sound of the letter. The sound of the letter. Okay. Let's see some words. Zip. Zip. Zoo. Zoo. Zero. Zero. Zigzag. Zigzag. Okay. Let's see slide. The name of the letter is Z. The sound of the letter Z. Let's see some words. First one, zip. First one, zip. Second one, zoo. Second one, zoo. Third one, zero. Third one, zero. Fourth one, zigzag. Fourth one, zigzag. Okay, it's clear? Students, in the phonics session, we learnt 4 letter sounds. Okay, now recap the letter sound. First one is W, V, V. Okay, V. Next one is X. Third one is Y. The sound of letter Y. Okay, the sound of letter Y. Last one is Z. Okay, it's clear? Now go to the next session, whole word session. Okay. Students, now you have a activity. Okay, see the slide. Take a worksheet book and do this. Okay, suppose you don't have it, write on your notebook. Okay, and next do this. Letter sounds. Color the letter sounds you hear. Okay. Today we learnt 4 letter sound. Yes or no? Yes. We learnt 4 letter sounds. The letter W. W to Z. Okay. Remember, children. You circle the letter sounds we learnt in the phonics session. Okay. First one is V. Second one is third one is yeah. Last one is okay. You have circle 4 letter sound. It's clear. Now go to the next session, whole word session. Okay. In the whole word session, till we learnt 5 whole words. Okay. Now let's recap the 5 whole words. First whole word is this. This. T-H-I-S, this. Okay, this. First one is this. Second one is eat, eat, eat. Third one, ant, ant, ant. Fourth one, her, her. Us, us. One time I repeat it. Us, us. Her, her. Ant, ant. Eat, eat. This. Okay. Now go to next one. Students, now you have an activity. Whole words. Color the words you hear. Okay. We learnt 5 whole words. Yes or no? First one is this. Second one is ant, eat, her, us. One time I repeat it. Please follow me. Okay. This, her, ant, us, eat. Color the words you hear. Please take your worksheet book and do this. Okay. Suppose you don't have it, write in your notebook and next you color the words. Okay. Color the whole words. Okay. Once again I repeat the 5 whole word. This. T-H-I-S. This. Her. Ant. as eat. Okay, students, next you have one homework. See the slide. Whole words. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. Once again, and read it. Please carefully watch it. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. Okay. They given five whole words. They given sentence also. In this sentence, you find the whole word and color the same color. Okay, for example, this and see the first sentence. This girl is my sister. See the first question, A question, students. This girl is my sister. Where is the whole word? This is a whole word. So, this you will color red color. You will color red color. You will choose red color. Okay. Now I read the sentences. Please watch it carefully. A. This girl is my sister. This girl is my sister. B question. I eat 2 chapatis for lunch. I eat 2 chapatis for lunch. Third one. She and her sister are there. She and her sister are there. Okay. D1. Come and see me. Come and see me. Okay. E question. This is her purse. This is her purse. F. You were talking to us. You were talking to us. Ria and her class draw. G1. Ria and her class draw. H. This house is blue in color. The house is blue in color. Okay. Students, read the sentence carefully and next you find the whole word and use the same color. Okay. Now I show the slide. How did you do this? Okay. How did you do this? Okay. See the first example. They given whole words. Yes or no? Yes, 5 whole words. First one, this, eat, and her, us. The first sentence, this girl is my sister. This is your whole word. Say they colored red color. They given, this is also already colored red. Okay, this வந்து என்ன கலர்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Red கலர்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So next you will read the sentence. Sentence read பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு அதுல எது whole word நீ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So in this sentence this is a whole word. So you will choose red color. Okay? இதுக்கு மட்டும் நீ என்ன கலர் பண்ணணும்? Red color பண்ணணும். It's clear? Once again read the sentences. Please watch it. The A1, this girl is my sister. This girl is my sister. I eat 2 chapatis for lunch. I eat 2 chapatis for lunch. C1, she and her sister are there. She and her sister are there. D1, come and see me. Come and see me. E1, this is her purse. This is her purse. F1, you were talking to us. G, Ria and her class draw. H1, this house is blue in color. This house is blue in color. Okay, it's clear? Students, today for whole word session, we will learn 2 whole words. First one is in, second one is of. First one is in. First one is in. Second one is of. Now say some example for in. Okay. Now I say some example for this whole word in. Okay. Your mouse. Your mouse is in my house. In my house. Students, see the next example. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Okay? You know kitchen? Samayalam. Kitchen means Samayalam. Okay? Today, whole word session, we will learn two whole word. The first whole word is in. The first whole word is in. I-N, in. Now I say some example for using in. Okay? Your mouse is in my house. Where is the whole word? Find it. I-N, in. This is whole word. Clear? Now the next example. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Okay? Where is the whole word? In. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Mouse goes in the kitchen. It's clear? Okay, now see the slide. The whole word, first whole word is in. The first whole word is in. Now let's see the examples. A mouse in my house. A mouse in my house. A mouse in my house. A mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. In. I-N. In. My. M-Y. My. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. A mouse in my house. Now see the next example. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The T-H-E, the mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Goes. G-O-E-S, goes. In. I-N, in. The. T-H-E, the. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. It's clear? Students, now see the next whole word, of. The next whole word is of. O-F, of. Now see some example. The color of my hair is, black. The color of my hair is black. Where is the whole word? O-F-R. Yes. O-F-R. Okay, the color of my hair is black. Now see the next example. The teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. Where is the whole word? Yes. All after the whole word. O-F-R. O-F-R. The second whole word is of. Okay. Now see some example. The first example is the color of my hair is black. Second one, the teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. Okay. Now go to the slide. The second whole word is of. Okay. Now let's see the examples. The first example is the color of my hair is black. I boxed the whole word of. Okay. See the slide carefully. The color of my hair is black. Now go to the next slide. The teacher helps all of us. The teacher helps all of us. Okay. It's clear? Students, now go to the next session. Okay. Reading and listening comprehension. Now today we will learn Today, new story. Okay, the title of the story is So Many Houses. The title of the story is So Many Houses. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Manesh Shah. Okay, students. Last class we learned the story So Many Houses. Today class we will learn the Happy Mouse. Okay, it's clear. Today the story is the Happy Mouse. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrated Manesh Shah. Okay, now go to the slide. Students, see the slide carefully. The title of the story, The Happy Mouse. Happy means what? Happy means what? Romba சந்தோஷப்படுது. Mouse. Have you seen mouse in your house? Mouse means what, ma? Sundali. Okay, it is very, very naughty. Yes or no? Yes, it's damaged our clothes and many things, especially in the kitchen. Okay, it makes most damage. Okay, today the new story we will learn. The story name is The Happy Mouse. Author is Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrated Manesh Shah. Okay. Okay. Now I read the story. You also follow me. Okay. Now I read the first sentence. The title of the story: The Happy Mouse. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrated Manesh Shah. Illustrated Manesh Shah. And now I read the story. You will follow me. First point. The mouse is in my house. The. T-H-E. The. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Is. I-S. Is. In. I-N. In. My. M-Y. My. House. H-O-U-S-E. The house is in my house. The mouse is in my house. The first point is the mouse is in my house. Now go to the next page. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The. T-H-E. The. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. In the. I-N. In. The. T-H-E. The. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Kitchen means சமையக்கட்டுக்குள்ள போகுது. The mouse goes in the kitchen. Okay. Now go to the next one. Students, see the next picture. What do you see in this picture? This is garden. Okay. It has tall trees and green grass and flowers and fresh air. It's like a nice moment, sitting in the garden. Yes. The mouse plays in the garden. The mouse plays in the garden. Plays means what? விளையாடுறது. The mouse வந்து எங்க விளையாடும்? Garden. The. T-H-E. The. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Plays. P-L-A-Y-S. Plays. In. I-N. In. The. T-H-E. The. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. The mouse plays in the garden. Okay, once again read it. Please follow me. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse goes in the kitchen. The mouse plays in the garden. Okay, now go to the next one. The mouse jumps on the bed. The mouse jumps on the bed. The. T-H-E. The. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Jumps. J-U-M-P-S. Jumps. Do you know jumps meaning? குதிக்கிறது. Jumps. On the bed. O-N. On. The. T-H-E. The. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Okay. The mouse jumps on the bed. Okay. Now go to the next one. The mouse dances in the room. The mouse dances in the room. The. T-H-E. The. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Dances. Do you know dances meaning? Dance ஆடுறது. The mouse dances in the room. Okay. Now go to the next one. The mouse sees the cat. What happened? The mouse sees the cat. Suddenly it's run away. எலி பூனையை பார்த்தோன்னா என்ன பண்ணிடும்? இந்த இடத்தை விட்டு ஓடி போயிடும். The mouse sees the cat. The T-H-E, the mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Sees, S-E-E-S, sees. The T-H-E, the cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay. The mouse sees the cat. Next point. The mouse ran away. The mouse ran away. The T-H-E, the mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Runs. R-U-N-S, runs away. A-W-A-Y. The mouse runs away. Okay. First one. The mouse sees the cat. The mouse runs away. Okay. Next go to the vocabulary words. Students, next we will learn vocabulary words. Today we will learn 5 new vocabulary words. Okay. The first vocabulary word is kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. We know kitchen. Kitchen means where we prepare food and put on fire and switch off the gas stove and we prepare all item of food. Yes or no? நம்ம கிச்சன்ல போய் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? நமக்கு தேவையான எல்லா சாப்பாடையும் prepare பண்ணுவோம். Okay? The first one is kitchen. The second one is garden. Second one is garden. Gardens maximum it's outside in our house. It has many trees, flowers and green grass and it is given fresh air also. Sitting in the garden, it's very nice moment. Okay, it's very nicely. Old people also like sitting in the garden. Okay, maximum it is outside our house, garden. Third one is bed. Bed means we take rest on the bed and sleep on the bed. Okay. Third one is bed. Fourth one is room. Fourth one is room. Room means it's a small place inside our house. Yes or no? Yes, inside our house. It's closed with 4 walls. Note the point. It's closed 4 walls and floor, roof. Inside the room we have many things like cupboard, lights, fans and bed, sofa and etc. Okay, this is room. Last one is house. Do you know house meaning? House is where we live in the house. Okay. First one is kitchen. Second one is garden. Third one is bed. Fourth one is room. Fifth one is house. Okay. Now go to the slide. The first one is kitchen. Okay. Where we cook food in the kitchen and prepare all type of food in kitchen and put off on the fire and we all prepare all the foods in the kitchen. Okay. Now go to the next one. Garden. It is outside our house. It has many flowers and trees and rocks and tall grass and this also very nice to see. Okay, the garden. Next, bed. Suppose you feel sleep only suddenly you step on the bed. Okay, take rest and sleep on the bed. And room. It is small place inside our house. It's closed with 4 walls. We have many things inside in the room. like sofa, cupboard, fan, lights and etc. Okay, now go to the next one. Okay, see the all vocabulary words in this slide. The first whole word is house, second one is kitchen, third one is garden, fourth one is bed, fifth one is room. Okay, one time I repeat it, all of you follow me. First one is house, second one kitchen, third one garden, fourth one bed, fifth one room. Okay, it's clear? Okay. Students, see the slide. This is your activity. Okay. Draw your house and write about this questions. Okay. Write filling the blanks. Okay. You have to fill the blanks. Okay. See the slide. This is my house. The color of my house is dash. I live in a dash. Okay. This is my dash. The color of my house is dash. I live in a dash. Okay. This is your activity, students. Please do this. Okay. Now go to the next one. This is your homework. Okay. Students, this is your homework. Practice the sounds and the words done in SR 11, SR 12, SR 13 and SR 14. Okay. Students, this is your homework. Please note down. Okay. Practice the sounds and the words done in SR 11, SR 12, SR 13 and SR 14. Okay. Students, today class we learnt 4 letter sounds and 2 new whole words and read the story The Happy Mouse and learnt 5 vocabulary words also. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay. I hope all are understood this class. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, students.